Every device you own runs on a 160-year-old idea that is about to be replaced. This is the story of the battery. Where it came from, the trap it is stuck in right now, and the strange material that breaks it wide open. It starts in 1859, with a slab of lead sitting in acid. The lead-acid battery was heavy, weak, and barely held a charge. And for over 100 years, it was the best we had. It cranked our cars and backed up our phone lines, but it could never power a pocket. Then in 1991, everything changed. Sony shipped the first lithium-ion cell. Suddenly you could carry a computer in your hand. Lithium packed more energy into less space than anything before it. That one leap built the modern world. Laptops, smartphones, cordless everything. And then it climbed into the car. The electric vehicle stopped being a science project and became a threat to the entire oil industry. Today, lithium-ion is everywhere. It is the beating heart of the energy transition. But here is the part the headlines skip. The king has 3 cracks in its crown. Crack 1, cost. Lithium prices whipsaw wildly, doubling and crashing on a whim, because the supply is thin. Crack 2, fire. Pack lithium this densely and one fault can trigger thermal runaway, a fire that makes its own oxygen and refuses to die. Crack 3, supply. The raw materials are scarce, concentrated, and fought over. So the race is on for what comes next. And the frontrunner is hiding in plain sight, in your kitchen. Sodium. The 6th most abundant element on Earth, sitting in every ocean and every salt flat. A sodium-ion battery works almost exactly like lithium, but on an element you can practically scoop out of the sea. It is cheaper. It does not catch fire the same way. It shrugs off freezing cold. And it never runs short. For years this was just a lab curiosity, too weak to matter. Then it scaled, and it scaled in one place. China built the cells, the factories, and the entire supply chain at once, turning a lab idea into a product on a pallet. Inside gigafactories the size of small cities, sodium-ion is now rolling off the line by the millions. And in Hunan province, one manufacturer is already shipping these safe, cheap cells straight to buyers in the West. That manufacturer is Zvepo. It is on a container ship right now. The 160-year story of the battery has reached its next chapter. And for once, the cheapest option is also the safest. The only question left is who builds with it first.